Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are doing fine. Today I am going to tell you how to delete WhatsApp backup from Google Drive or Google Drive backup. Most people have issues with the WhatsApp backup which is stored in the Google Drive. How to delete that backup? So steps are simple. First of all, you have to delete the backup from your file manager. You have to go to internal storage, then go to WhatsApp folder and click on backup and database folder and delete both of the folders. After that, you have to go to Google Drive. Okay, in Google Drive you must have login with the same Google account which you have added in WhatsApp. Here you can see in WhatsApp, go to setting, go to chats, go to chat backup. Here which you have added that account, log in with that account in the Google Drive. After that, go to drive, log in with the same account and go to three dots, click on backup. Here you can see you have WhatsApp backup, two WhatsApp backup as I have two WhatsApp backup, WhatsApp folder and WhatsApp business and WhatsApp simple WhatsApp. Click on three dots and delete backup. It will delete all of your Google Drive backup. So what you do now open WhatsApp and go to storage and data and click on manage storage. Now you have to delete your desire or data which you don't want, and click delete that data which you don't want to backup again. After you delete all of your data, then click on backup to store new backup. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this method. Allah Hafiz.